What is electronic Kanban?
Electronic Kanban is a system where the advantages of traditional Kanban are enhanced by the advantages of digitalization. This digitalization occurs with the adoption of an electronic Kanban software, like Kanban Box, which tracks all Kanban cards, statuses, and information. To transmit that material must be replenished, you simply scan the barcode on the bin of the depleted material. The replenishment signal will immediately appear on the supplier's digital board. No more physical delivery of Kanban cards. No more lost cards. More visibility and control. Yay! To discover more about how a Kanban works and how it can benefit your company, download our free guide in the comment.